What's up, YouTubers? Uh, I'm assuming you're YouTubers if you clicked on this. And this is a video, just a quick rant on how to get more viewers. And essentially, it's just make more videos. That's it. That's all YouTube is now. So there's two main ways to make videos, and that's essentially, or three main ways. There's normal videos, shorts, and then live streams. And I feel like you want to work on your normal videos first, just to get into the habit of doing that, because those are going to carry over for you in the long run if you ever do get monetized to actually generate the income for you. Shorts, shorts are pretty great for just like general attention, but like I don't think that people understand that shorts creators it's the not view is every this is not view is made the same. So like if you make a short, like I've made shorts and they've gotten thousands of views on my other channels and stuff like that, but it doesn't translate to a lot of watch time, which is like your initial grind, because your first objective should be getting monetized on YouTube. So if you're getting a lot of views and stuff like that, so you can get some more attention with the shorts, if you can make like some sort of short form content that people like. Personally, I don't think the short form viewer is going to be too advantageous for new YouTubers, because, and like I said, I don't have any subscribers. I understand that, but so I'm going to try to use logical arguments here. And so just bear with me. I don't think a shorts viewer is one that you really want, because they have a shorter attention span. So like the shorter an attention span someone has, it's like a kid who's like addicted to candy and phones, like video games and stuff like that. You know, they're kind of spoiled, so they're a little harder to please. They're gonna be a lot more trend hoppy and stuff like that. And I recommend that you go for a more mature audience, somebody who's more well aligned with you. And if you are, I'm not talking crap about people who are trend happy or whatever, or into that brain rot stuff, but like, because you know you're a person too, you have value and stuff like that. I just don't personally recommend that you go for those types of viewers, because it's just harder to please them. You know what I mean? Like those people are going to be pleased more by the industry. You know what I'm saying when I say the industry? The people who have a lot of resources to make distilled content down. You know, there's like normal content, like what I'm making, it's not very, it's raw, it's unfiltered, I'm just shooting from the hip. But then you have companies like Mr. Beast LLC, who can take an idea, they have 50 people work on the same idea, and then they distill, boil down, like optimize, and they get this like nice little sugar cube, and the sugar cube's got like a cute wrapper on it and all these other things, and they give that to the short form viewer. um, and I mean that applies to normal videos too, but the brain, I just, people refer to them colloquially as brain rat viewers. So that's just like why I use these terms. I'm not like passing judgment or anything. I'm just saying, like, if for a small YouTuber, from my perspective, so far from the couple channels I have that are heading towards monetization, one of them at 350, the other one at 163, with over 3,000 watch hours on both of them, I think. Um, Doing about 100 to 500 views a day. So like, there's nothing to write home about. But I'm just saying, like, you find your audience, which is a smaller audience, because whatever, people, you have no brand identification identifiers yet, so you're not kind of well known. You have no social proof through views and subscriber counts, so stuff like that. So you have to kind of just like grind on a small level. Um, and just like that's why those are my arguments for like why you'd want to make this normal type content, because there is like more, the viewer that would be interested in a video like this one, for instance, would be a higher quality viewer for you, because they're willing to give you a chance, because they see that you're a small channel. So that if they click your video, they're willing to give it a chance and then hear you out or whatever. And then if you can capture subscribers on that level, you're at least going to have a small base to post to. Like for instance, on my old school RuneScape channel, I have the 350 subscribers. I can expect about 50 to 500 views per video. Just off the bat. I have a Discord with 100 people in it and stuff like that. So this is like a community that I can build from. And then YouTube will feed me 100% of my videos to those people. I don't have to worry about the algorithm like giving that video a chance. But if those people, my subscribers, give it a lot of watch time, a lot of CTR, likes, comments, and stuff like that, they're going to feed me and pump me to the general audience again, who have a lot of like watch history similar to those people. So you'd expect people who are very similar to the people that you've been slowly accruing. And then that type of growth, I feel, is a lot more tangible, a lot more easy, a lot less expensive, because you can webcam it the whole way. You can webcam mic it. You can cell phone it. Um, there's a YouTuber named Dodash that's doing that very, very effectively. I'm just saying, this is how you get more views on YouTube the right way. Um, So yeah, that's my video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you later. Please subscribe. I'm trying to just grow this channel because like as I learn things, I just want to put it here on this channel. So if you want to like be there with me while I grow and put out the relevant like short tips and stuff like that. Plus I'm covering like channels and stuff now. I think I'm gonna start doing that. Covering why channels, why I think channels are doing well, and what you can how you can like take tactics or strategies or like just point out. I'm kind of smart when it comes to that stuff. Uh, Not like crazy smart, but I know why. Like when you look at a channel, I can articulate pretty well why a channel is doing what it's doing, so then I can like kind of lay it out. And I guess I'll just make the videos when those come here. But thanks for watching. I'll catch you later.